Hey, what's up, Cool Like That peeps? It is me, your Cool Like That Asian in the house. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Hopefully, you guys are doing great out there. Anyways, I wanted to come by because it's been a couple days since a tragedy happened this past week, earlier this week, that killed about 18 to 19 people, most of them children, at a school in Texas. Unfortunately, that happened, and I send my prayers to the families and victims of this tragedy. It shouldn't have happened. And blaming it all on a gun, right, is something that we should do. Blame it on the gun. However, we also need to look at the outside factors. And this is what I'm going to be commenting on today because it's important that we understand that when you start to use, like our media, and I'm going to hold the media accountable for this, the media and our government officials, when you start to use words that triggers the emotions of people in our country, that is the worst thing you can do. That automatically affects people's mindsets. And it's unfortunate because we shouldn't be doing that. But you guys are not getting censored for that. You're censoring the people that's calling you out for your bullcrap. Okay, so the thing is, when you start to call something like this a health crisis, when the number of people in the United States is only 332 million people, it's not even 1% of the statistics that I'm showing on the screen right now. You have 66 mass shootings, 75 people dead. That's including the shooter. 271 people that got shot, including the shooter. Does that constitute a health crisis when you're dealing with 332 million people in the United States? It doesn't. And we need to stop this because of the fact that the media likes to use those words to poke at people's hearts and emotions, especially on an election year. That makes me go, what are you trying to do here? What are you trying to do here? Unfortunately, people died in the situation, but you guys are using that emotion to drum up the fear in the rest of the United States. And here in Hawaii, you have people going a little cuckoo. And I don't think it's because of what's happening in the world, not happening in the world, but what's happening in their home. It's really what's happening on the news, what's happening in our government officials. Crazy, right? Let's get it together, America.